Till we don't choose our presidential candidate to carry us waka enter our third direct victory since 2015, I go make sure say I lead the transition process. Buhari to APC Council. President Muhammadu Buhari don tok say im dey happy say all the meeting wey dem dey tanda put since dey fruitful and typical for a party wey don ready to march enter their third victory since 2015 for presidential polls. E tok dis one for the dinner party when im host the National Advisory Council for All Progressive Congress (APC) on Sunday night for State House, Abuja.
I charge you to recognize the importance of the stability and unity of the party, which cannot be overemphasized. Our choice of flag bearer must be formidable, appealing to the electorate across the board, and should command such ability to unify the country and the capacity to address our critical challenges.
Buhari come tok say the meeting na to provide leadership and direction during the transition period to strengthen the unity and focus for the building of the electoral fortunes. He come promise say im go lead the transition processes and ongoing consultations for the interest of the country and the party by God's grace.
Without prejudice to your qualifications, I urge all of you to hold consultations among yourselves and with the party, with a view to building a consensus in a manner that will help the party reduce the number of aspirants, bring up a formidable candidate, and scale down the anxiety of party members. I wish to assure you that in the interest of the nation and the party, I shall continue to provide effective leadership during these transition processes and ongoing consultations. I seek your support in this all-important responsibility.
On behalf of the Advisory Council members, former Internal Affairs Minister and Senator Major General Mohammed Magodo retired, former Governor for Osun State and first interim national chairman for the party, Chief Bisi Akonde, and former Senate President Chief Ken Unamani, call him President Buhari for the ogbonge service when he don't give the country, especially for agriculture and infrastructure.
This is to show the kind of leadership traits that the President, Commander-in-Chief, has. He believes in fairness. He believes that the only way we can achieve that level of fairness is for him to consult, to interact. We are talking about the highest price in the leadership, the governance of this great country. The consultation continues until the convention. We must thank the President for having this much time to devote to this process of making everybody feel he matters. It's very, very strategic, and it is the advantage of the party, the benefit of the party.
Ebo Sereme Ubinome, TMC TV News.